Hot, hot, subscribe. Hot, hot, subscribe. Hit that bell notification. Hot, hot, college football news.
So investing in this quick morning update. I'm not going to have much time the next 6 or 8 hours. I'm going to a golf fundraiser. I repeat, going to a golf fundraiser. So until about 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock tonight, I'm going to be on a golf course, so there won't be much time for updates. Maybe sporadic when I'm looking for my ball. I'll do a brief 30-second update here and there if I have a signal. But you can see dappt. It's still sitting in the same spot. This coin hasn't done anything for quite some time. And the brief lower support is this orange left to right line sitting right here at about a bunch of zeros, 85518. If you break that, we know you come down to the next level down, which is at the 75212, and then your upper resistance is just below this red volume indicator zone up here, and the 0.00150204. That's the level you're watching out. You're watching out for right now, and it's been the same level for about a week or two, or even longer than that. It's been maybe a month. I remember talking in the same level for quite some time now. So that's where you're still at. Dappt. You can see after dappt finally had that big pump. That day we were talking after it pumped, and you were asking, should you buy it when it was already way up here? No. Look where it came back down to, where we thought it would. Right back down to the red support zone. But look what it's doing now. Remember when this red volume indicator was resistance? Now it pumped through it, and it comes back down, gets supported on the 50 in red and the red box, this red support zone box, which is the volume indicator. It pumps up again, but lower than the previous high. Dumps back down, comes all the way down to the red support box again, which has flipped it now from resistance, right, and resistance, and all that resistance you had back there, and it's flipped it to support now. Then it got rejected, and it was a lower high, lower high, lower high. Then it had another third pump, or a fourth pump off of support, and had a little bit bigger of a pump than pump number 3, and it's come back down on support again. What you're looking at now is as long as you hold this support box, you can get these little pumps and maybe try to move to the upside. But if you slip back below this red zone, it's going to flip it back to resistance. Fail this as a confirmed breakout because it broke out, consolidated since the 12th, so about a week almost. Then if it breaks back below it, it's confirming a bearish breakdown and a bearish retest and a bearish consolidation that could not hold support and kept it flipped from resistance to support. And then you got to start using your underneath support levels again. But if you stay above this red box, you can keep playing another pump possible, right? But it's all a gamble because it's about to have a big pump to the upside, or it's going to reflip this brief support that it flipped it to and turn it back into resistance like it was before. So that red trading box is your new support, and you got to stay on top of that to remain any kind of bullishness, right?